Hello there, I'm Garrison. And you're not. And this is Puppet Time number 18. And today we're going to have Sherry and Terry talk about Groundhog Day or something and being rejected and all kinds of stuff like that. Anyways, look at my mustache, it's all crazy. I'm gonna fix my mustache for you. I'm gonna fix my mustache. I'm sorry, don't sing like that. Anyhow, it's super cold. Today is Groundhog Day in the United States of America. It's February 2nd, 2017. Yes, and today's Groundhog Day. Groundhog Day is a day when we celebrate some kind of weird fairy tale where this animal, who's all hairy and stuff, comes out of the ground, and if he sees his shadow, we get 6 more weeks of winter, and if he doesn't see his shadow, it's 6 weeks of warm temperatures. Of course, it's just a myth. So on TV, they get this animal, and they pick him up, and they call him Punxsutawney Phil or something. He looks like a giant gopher or something. Yeah, just Google it, groundhog. Anyways, Groundhog Day, that's what it was about. Yeah. Anyways, they're going to talk about that. Here's Sherry first, and then Terry. All right, Sherry and Terry, Puppet Time number 18. Yeah!
Hey, it's me, Sherry. Yay! I'm an American, and I'm blonde, and I'm beautiful. Today's Groundhog Day, and I think Garrison explained it. Something about this giant rat thing, whatever, and the ground comes out, see the shadow. If it sees the shadow and runs away, it's 6 more weeks of winter, and if it doesn't see a shadow and stays outside, that means it's going to be nice and warm. But today, he saw a shadow and ran away. That's stupid. Anyways, I don't believe that. But anyways, it's also Friendship Day or some kind of nutty thing like that. I don't know. Wherever it is, it's February 2nd, 2017. And I love groundhogs. They're so cute. But you can't have them as pets because they're wild animals. Anyhow, I'm smart and beautiful. I got beautiful bluish green eyes. I'm a lovely person. Yay! Anyhow, my brother Terry, he's going to tell you more about Groundhog Day and whatever else. Hey, all I know is that it's supposed to be some kind of really weird holiday, and only in the United States, you know, because other countries don't celebrate some weird holiday like that, do you? I mean, I don't know. I'd rather have it be Christmas or Thanksgiving. Okay, here's my brother, Tommy, the dork. Yay! You like my ribbons? I'm so pretty. I can dance. I can sing. Yay! Ha 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 ha! Happy Groundhog Day to all you people in the United States of America. Yay! And here is my brother Terry. Hoo 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 hoo. Yeah. Hey, it's me, Terry. You heard my stupid sister, Sherry. Yeah. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. She's not stupid, and I'm not a dork. Okay? Right? Whatever. You're not a dork. Okay? What? You're not a dork. You're just dumb. What? Hey, that's not fair. What do you think, Garrison?
I think you're pretty smart.
Thanks, see? Ha ha ha! Well, anyways, I'm handsome, and happy Groundhog Day to everybody. I don't know. I think it's stupid. I just wish Groundhog Day was a holiday so we wouldn't have to go to school. But I love school when I have my friends, and we play, and we talk, and we say stuff, and hang out. And then I have to come home and do homework. And then bring in another day. Yep. Usually they give homework at the end of the week, like Friday or something. Yeah, but they're going to try to make it like 4-day week for school, and that'd be awesome. I'm an American, and I love Groundhog Day because it's dumb, and just like my sister. Hey, shut up. Okay, just kidding. No one's dumb. I have blue eyes too, bluish green, and I am blonde. Means I have yellow hair, and I like to dance, and I can sing, and I know how to read books, okay? It's good to read, and happy Groundhog Day, and if you feel like people are ignoring you, just say, hey, I want to be your friend, because if you make all your enemies your friends, you won't have any enemies. Isn't that right? Yep. See, even Garrison agrees. Yay! Even if my sister disagrees with me, we still get along. Anyways, we play once in a while, and then sometimes we fight. But we always make up, and we're okay, right? Yeah! Okay. Now, here's Garrison. He's going to tell you more about some stuff. And I got to go. I'm going to go play outside. Yay! Play outside. hey, happy Groundhog Day. Oh yeah, and it's also Friendship Day or some kind of Friends Day or something. I don't know. Happy holidays. Whatever. I wish it was Christmas. Bye, Garrison.
Oh, hey, it's you again. Well, they talked about Groundhog Day and they had to go play outside. They still had to go to school, but they're glad to come back. And they don't like homework. Basically, they're regular kids from America. Because in the United States of America, they go to school Monday through Friday, come back from school, and then usually get homework like on Friday, and then they have to bring it back Monday, unless it's a holiday or something. Anyways, today's just Groundhog Day. I don't think it's a holiday for the kids, so they're all running around acting crazy. And what am I going to do? Well, I'm going to go and take a rest and post this video up, and see you next time for Puppet Time number 19, where Tammy and Tommy will show up. Yes, Tammy and Tommy, they're from Syria, the Syrian refugees. Yeah, they'll show up later on. Yep, and then two more, and then two more. Yeah, but I don't know if when that's going to be. Anyways, today's February 2nd, 2017. I'm Garrison. You're not, and this has been Puppet Time number 18, Sharing Terry. So, happy Groundhog Day. Remember, groundhog is like this big furry animal. Looks like a big rat, but it's cuter. And for some reason, some mythology grew up that thought that if he came out of the ground and saw a shadow, ran away, that's 6 more weeks of cold winter. And if he got out of the ground and didn't see his shadow, but he's still outside, that means 6 more weeks of warmth. But today he saw a shadow, supposedly we're going to get cold. But winter's always cold, so I don't get this myth. It's just weird. Anyways, I got to go. Happy holidays. If it's a holiday and wherever you are, you're watching it as a holiday, then hey, celebrate. If it's not, Groundhog Day's not really much of a holiday. But it's fun to think about how weird people are sometimes when they make up holidays. Well, I'm Garrison, and I got to go. Bye.